Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Actor and singer Jamie Foxx's daughter, Corinne Foxx, is engaged. She celebrated her engagement with those closest to her. Corinne announced her engagement to her boyfriend Joe Houghton in December of 2023, and she revealed how she and her loved ones celebrated the good news with a post shared on Instagram last year, shortly before Christmas. The post read, "Food, friends and family. So happy we got to celebrate this special time with our favorite people." Corinne captioned her post with a series of photos from the party. Corinne Foxx revealed that Houghton popped the question to her in December, and she shared the happy news on Instagram with a caption, "From the first time I saw you, I knew you were my forever." The couple reportedly met in 2018 and are both alums of the University of Southern California. Fox said that he had tears of joy in his soul when Houghton told him of his plans to marry his daughter. Jamie Foxx also shared the good news on his Instagram platform, congratulating the couple and expressing his love and support towards his son-in-law to be, as well as his daughter. He said, "You are a perfect example of what being in love is. You care about each other's life, mental and physical, and you have each other's back." Corinne Foxx was born on February 15, 1994 in Los Angeles. She's Jamie Foxx and Connie Klein's daughter. Congratulations to the couple upon this milestone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell. See you in the next video.